This TikTok account made $126,000 from one single video from the TikTok Shop Affiliate program. TikTok Shop Affiliate is a new feature on TikTok that's helping people earn thousands of dollars. And the best part, many are doing this without even showing their face. The video style you're about to see is pulling in hundreds of thousands in affiliate commissions. There's never been a better time to start doing this than now. But before we dive in, I know some of you might not have access to TikTok Shop in your country. Don't worry, I have a solution for you that I'll share later in this video. First, let me blow your mind. There's a website called Capcut that shows insights into trending products and how much money people are making from them on TikTok. One account earned $108,000, another $88,000, and a third $81,000, all in just the past 7 days. This is serious money. But what really amazed me was this new account with only 9,000 followers, created less than 3 months ago. Despite the low follower count, they've made over $60,000 in the past 30 days, earning over $3,000 per day by promoting an oral health product. They didn't even own the product. They just shared their affiliate link. Every time someone clicks this little button and makes a purchase, this account earns a commission. One single video generated $41,000 in revenue, and they did it all with faceless videos made in less than 10 minutes using AI. Check out the video for yourself.
This is what would happen if you started oil pulling every day. First, you would notice that your breath would start to smell significantly better. This is because oil pulling can have similar effects as mouthwash. Additionally, your teeth would also get whiter, as the Guru Nanda pulling oil has natural oils which help remove yellow stains from your teeth and help keep your breath fresh for a longer period of time. I linked the best oil pulling brand in the bottom left corner of this video so you can start your journey to a better looking smile.
It's crazy, right? In this video, I'll show you how to do the exact same thing and generate thousands of dollars quickly by making videos like these in under 10 minutes, even if you have no editing skills. All I'm asking for in return is a little love from you. So show some love and hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss out on future money-making goodness. Okay, now that we've got that out of the way, let's get started. Now that we've seen the incredible money-making potential, it's time to dive in. First up, finding a winning product. And let me tell you, Capcut is your golden ticket to finding those gems. Head over to the product section, then narrow it down by selecting your desired category. For our video, we're diving into health and supplements. Why? Because health is wealth, my friend. People are crazy about living their best, healthiest lives. Just look at Alex Hormozi, for example. He went from broke at 26 to $100 million net worth by 31 by selling supplements online.
And you're basically selling supplements to your clients.
Well, it's through the clients. So they never actually purchased from us directly.
And guess what? You don't have to be a camera superstar like him. Nope, with faceless AI videos, you can still rake in those big bucks. Once you've found your winning product, it's time to do a deep dive. Get to know everything about it, the ingredients, the features, and what makes it stand out. The more you know, the more convincing your pitch will be. And then comes the fun part, making the video. We're talking quick, snappy clips that grab attention and make people hit that buy button. Ready to create your own money-making masterpiece? Let's do this. I'll help you create a viral video from start to finish, covering everything from brainstorming the idea to the final touches. Let's dive into the plan. We'll start with this TikTok account I showed you earlier and analyze their viral recipe. Their script has 3 key parts: hook, storytelling, call to action, CTA. The video involves voice-over, choose a fitting voice from 11 Labs, AI image generation, use Mid-Journey to create prompts, editing, add captions, sound effects, and sound design. The script is the most crucial part of a viral video, especially the hook. All viral videos share a strong, engaging hook that makes viewers want to watch till the end. To create a great hook, focus on triggering curiosity. Make viewers feel they need to know what happens next. We'll be promoting WellGuard Magnesium Glycinate, a supplement that provides high levels of magnesium, helps reduce stress, enhances relaxation, improves well-being, and is vegan-friendly. Our script will revolve around these benefits. ending with a call to action to encourage viewers to buy the product. I always recommend drafting your script before refining it with ChatGPT. Here's a draft of my script and the prompt I'll give to ChatGPT. Don't worry, I'll attach the prompt in the description box below for you to check out later. After submitting the prompt to ChatGPT, we'll have our polished script ready in no time. Congratulations, we just completed the first part of our video. Now let's move on to the next part, getting captivating voiceovers for the narration. We'll use 11 Labs for this. It's one of the best text-to-speech AI tools out there, and I love it because it has a large library of voices. You can find the link to 11 Labs in the description below. So, let's head over to 11 Labs. When you get to 11 Labs, you'll see a text box. Paste your script there and select a voice. For this script, let's choose Adam's voice. Set the suitable settings, click Generate, and in just a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready. The next step is to get our images. First, we need to download the images of the product we will be promoting. Just click on the TikTok product link and download them. Next, we need AI-generated images. Let's use Midjourney to create pictures for our video. While there are other tools like Leonardo DIY, we'll stick with Midjourney for this video. It's one of the best creative platforms for generating unique worlds, characters, and images from short text descriptions. You can find the link to Midjourney in the video description below. To get started with Midjourney, you'll need a Discord account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free. Then, click the Midjourney link in the description and select Join the Beta to get an invitation to the Midjourney channel on Discord. Once you're in, join one of the newbie groups and you're ready to go. Creating images with Midjourney is simple. Start by giving it the right instructions or prompts. These prompts tell the tool what pictures to generate. Begin your prompt with /imagine, then select this option. Our script begins with keywords like feeling drained, struggling with life's demands, and stress. So we'll create prompts around these ideas. Also, we will create more prompts using the later part of our script. Another way to get image prompts is to ask ChatGPT to generate them for you. Just paste your story into ChatGPT and ask it to create image prompts for each part of the script. Copy these prompts and use each one to create a picture with Midjourney. Once we have our prompts, paste each prompt in Midjourney to generate the images. Download and save them. Don't worry about losing them in the chat. Midjourney keeps all your images under My Images, making them easy to find. Now we have all the images we need for our script. Let's move on to the next step. The final step is to combine the AI-generated images, product images, and voiceover to create an amazing video for our TikTok. For this, we'll use an AI tool called Capcut. Capcut is an easy-to-use online video editing tool that makes it simple to merge all your video components into one fantastic video. Click on the link in the description to create a new account. Start by clicking on Create Project. Then, upload all your images and the voiceover from 11 Labs. Drag the voiceover to the timeline below and arrange the animated images and product images in the correct order just above it. Capcut offers a variety of transition effects to add flair between each video segment. Experiment with different options to find the perfect fit for your video. Additionally, Capcut allows you to add captions or subtitles to your video, making it more accessible and engaging. To include captions, go to the text menu on the top menu bar and choose Auto Captions. Explore different styles for your captions to find the perfect match for your video. Enhance your video by adding background music that complements your story. Access the Capcut audio library for a selection of free, royalty-free music. Choose a track you like and add it to the timeline, just beneath the voiceover. Once you've completed these steps, your video is ready to go. Give Capcut a few moments to render and blend all the components, then export the final product. Your finished video is all set to be uploaded to your channel. Now that our video is ready, let's watch it together.
Feeling drained? Struggling to keep up with life's demands? You're not alone. Stress and low quality of life affect many of us, leaving us feeling overwhelmed and depleted. But what if I told you there's a solution right at your fingertips? With WellGuard magnesium glycinate, those days are history. Say goodbye to fatigue and hello to boundless energy. Thanks to its superior absorption formula, it kicks in faster than your morning coffee without the jitters. From boosting your mood to supporting muscle recovery after a killer workout, WellGuard Magnesium Glycinate has your back. Plus, it's gentle on the stomach, so no more worries about digestive discomfort. Did I mention it's non-GMO and gluten-free? Yep, it's a clean energy powerhouse. Ready to level up your energy game?
Impressive, right? In less than 10 minutes, we've crafted a video that could potentially bring in over $100,000. And the best part is that you don't even have to show your face. All that's left to do is upload your masterpiece to your TikTok account and start raking in the cash. But wait, what if you're in a country that doesn't support TikTok Shop? Fear not, because there's a simple solution. Many of the products featured on TikTok Shop are also available on Amazon. And guess what? You can sign up for Amazon Associates, Amazon's affiliate program. So do some digging, find out which products are hot on TikTok Shop, and then locate similar ones on Amazon. Apply the same video creation techniques we discussed today, and voila! You can promote your Amazon product on your TikTok channel instead. Another trick? Team up with someone in a country that does support TikTok Shop. You handle the video creation, they handle the posting, and you split the profits. It's all about thinking outside the box and finding solutions, rather than dwelling on the problem and doing nothing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, turn on notifications, and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this.